The outline is automatically renumbered. Jack has organized the material for his proposal into a logical outline. He has his raw data and a plan of action. Now comes the next step, analysis.
As a tool for analysis, I think Framework's combination of spreadsheets, graphics, and a full-featured programming language is by far the best I've ever seen.
What if I want to base our estimate on a general overview of cost in our region? Can Framework handle that?
Easy. Let's take a look at our 3 county hospital projects we currently have running. With Framework, we just pull up our basic cost analysis spreadsheet for each job, then hot link all 3 to a consolidation spreadsheet. The numbers might fluctuate daily in these jobs in progress, but every change in the individual worksheet will be reflected automatically in the consolidation spreadsheet. Most impressively, we can see all 4 spreadsheets on the desktop simultaneously. Notice that the graph in the corner is also dynamically linked to the spreadsheet, so it automatically reflects the changes as well. In fact, in Framework, you could link together as many graphs, spreadsheets, and databases as you want in a Framework document.
How well does Framework 3 accommodate the unexpected? As an example, my director calls me and asks me to put together a new set of budget parameters like now.
Easy. Move your cursor to your file tray, pick up your quarterly budget frame, and open it on the desktop. It's a single frame, but it contains related subframes for specific budget items. I'll make a few adjustments to the travel expense worksheet, but it looks like I need more input. So, I'll open another frame and write a memo to our staff asking everyone to submit expense report data. For me, the best thing about Framework 3 is you don't have to quit a function before jumping into another. With most integrated packages, you have to say, quit your word processing before you enter your spreadsheet. In Framework 3, you just move the cursor from a Word frame to a spreadsheet frame to a database frame to a telecommunications frame anytime you want. No quitting and restarting. It's beautiful. The switch in functionality is instantaneous and transparent.
I use spreadsheets for financial statements. I also use spreadsheets a lot for budgeting, and I really like being able to just change one little thing in the budget and see how it will affect, and I don't have to do any more computations. Framework 3 does it all for me.
Once the data is organized and the decision is made, it has to be communicated. Framework 3 boasts a versatile, highly rated word processor and built-in electronic mail capability.
The Framework word processor has features that rival most standalone programs. And it's built into every area of the application, including cells of the spreadsheet and fields of the database. Now, let's get back to our proposal. With Framework 3, I can format my document any way I need to, using italics, underlining, and a host of other features. If I were hooked to a local area network, my colleagues could directly participate in creating the proposal. Then I can distribute it via the electronic mail function. The bottom line on Framework 3 is productivity. I usually get more done before my coffee break than I used to in an entire day. The funny thing is, I'm not working any harder. I'm just much more efficient.
The word processing has the spell checking in it, which I am the world's worst speller, so I wear that part of it out.
Organize, analyze, communicate. Framework 3 is the only program we've found that lets you do all this simply. And Framework 3 is remarkably easy to learn because it features a single command structure with the same set of pull-down menus across all functions. Once you've learned one function, you've learned them all. An integrated software package should serve you transparently in a simple yet powerful way. It should significantly increase your productivity. It should help you pull together all the bits and pieces of your day into a sensible, orderly structure. And perhaps most important, it should free your mind, giving you time for the more creative aspects of your job.
One reason I really like Framework 3 is it frees me up to do accounting.
You don't have to learn 2 or 3 or 4 different packages.
If someone took Framework 3 away from me, I'd stop using computers.
Framework 3, the decision support solution, at your local authorized Ashton-Tate dealer.